Right, I'm going to show you how to make a quick box, like couple of minutes, tops. Then we just got some scrap timber. We're going to cut this up real quick and just see what we can make. So first of all, we need some sides. We get the old measuring tape, get the old pencil. Yeah, 30, that'll do. So we want 15. Couple of them, so we just get the old saw out and chop that up like this. Get a good old cut on this. Right, hang on, a better angle. You ideally want to hold it. Hang on, I know what we need. One of these just to give it a hold in place. No, that's not gonna work. We just try it at the end because it'd probably work better. Got it on the end now. Got it on the end, so just give it a good old cut and get the. I just want to get a good cut on it. That's right. We can sort those bits out in a minute. It's fine. There we go. We've got two the same size. Not roughly the same size, is it? Hang on. Hang on. We can fix that. We can fix. There we go. I thought we had the right size. Right. So you got yourself two bits, exactly the same size. We can clean this up in a minute with some sandpaper, don't worry about that. Pencil, whatever you got, there we go. Simple, really simple. We'll clamp that back up again. You can do this really quick. There we go. Okay, so we've got four now. We don't need that bit. So basically we've got four bits the same. Four bits the same, that's what we wanted. We can sand this back later on anyway. So what we need to do now is we're gonna mark these, we're gonna get these. There we go, look, so there it's already forming a bit of a box shape. Get some glue on this, so we just gotta squeeze this out. Try and squeeze some of this glue out. It's a bit stuck in there. There we go. There we go, so it comes out like that. Get a bit on there, you know, just lather it up. Get each end done, it's never coming off. Just get it on there. It's fine, don't worry about the mess, because you can clean that up, you know, afterwards. We're gonna clamp it just to keep it, oh yeah, it'll fit. There we go. Give it a little clamp there. We need another. We'll just clamp this side as well. Oh, that's don't fit. There we go. Clamp it in there. Just make sure it's level. Just give it a knock. There we go. And it will. So obviously that's not going to hold. It's going to take a while. So we're going to stick a couple of lags in there. Right. So what we do now is just to secure this up. Got a couple of these lags. We're going to smash these in there. Get that in there. That one didn't go in, but let's just get that out. It's not going to come out. Just need to knock that out a bit. It's fine. We're just. There we go. We'll just take that out of there. Just make sure we re-clamp this back up. Maybe these are a little bit too big actually. Let's get some smaller ones. Right, I found some. Oh, just try. These will probably be a bit easier. Get it in there, just so it secures. That's tight. It's tight. It's really, yeah, really tight. In there now. So I have another one of these. Put it in this side, this way. Probably be better. There we go. There we go. It just pops up a little bit. Let's give it a bit of a bang down. That's all right. That's fine. That's fine. This bit's come off, but that's no worries. We just get a bit of glue. We just get that in there. And then get the glue out. We just, there we go. And that will just, yeah, that will just sit back in there. And then we can use another, there we go. So we just need some of these little pins. And then that will stick this in there. Let's get, that's a little bit wonky, but it's just getting, you won't see this. There we go. There we go, see? So it's really secure now. Put them down here. There we go. See, that's in there now. So we take these off now, take the clamps. See, it won't even move now. Again, don't worry about these little bits. We can shave this off. Oh, why is that come off there? Oh, it's the screw didn't go in. There we go. You feel that going in there? There we go. That's what we're looking at. See, folks, that's what we're looking at. See what I mean? Where you're not going to see this. So we're just going to mark this up. So we're just going to stick this on here. Like this, we'll mark it up this side. Again, let's just clamp it up. We'll put two on just to secure it. Go in with it, so just get that. There we go, look at that. How quick and easy that can come off of there. So, we actually do need another one of these, so we're gonna We're going to draw this up again quick, and then we're just going to cut. Oh, we need to move this over a bit. It's not quite in the firing line. So there. So we've got two of these now. We don't need this bit. We can go. So we're just gonna see. Look at that. Look how perfect that fits in there. So we're just gonna we'll get some more of these little nails in there. In there like this. See? Oh, that's because they're not big enough. Let me get some bigger ones. Well, I've got some bigger ones here. So I've got the bigger nails. So we're just gonna get these in there and we'll just make sure this is level, nice and level, and then we'll just go. See that? See that's in there. That's not going anywhere. I mean, you know, you don't always have to get them right in, as long as you've got a couple in there. Like this one will go. There we go. See, as long as you've got that one in there, you know, it's a little bit through there, but we can get rid of that later on. So we're just going to put a few more on this side. You want to go every side. There we go. See, it's coming together now. It's coming together. Almost done on this. Now, don't worry. Again, edges we can sand off, no problem at all. Looks a little bit rough, but look at that from a distance. Do you know what I'm saying? From a distance, you've got a really nice, lovely box. Quick and easy. Simple is what we like. I say, don't worry about the edges. This will glue up lovely. Now, basically, we just need a lid. So there's our lid, something like that. Look at that, straightforward. We just need it lifting up and down like this. Fit all sorts of stuff in there, it's no problem at all. It works, it works. I've got some hinges for this, little tiny ones. These are nice and brass. So all we got to do with this is just get this on here. So which way it goes, this is where it's going to go here. Just get a little tiny lag. We'll get this in there, we'll drill this. Oh, just careful, you know. Best side actually, this is probably the best side. Oh, we'll get rid of that later. But there we go, look at that. That really does fit well. Once we get the lag in there, let's get this in there. Once we get one, there we go. See how easy they, oh, there we go. It's all right, I got it. See that nicely, that's nicely fits in there. Now, if you want to kind of do it fairly quickly, you can always just probably just put one of these in. Oh, it's just, we're gonna have to, it's not gone in there very well because this needs to bolten up. So I just need to get another lag in this one. Just put that in there like that. There we go. And then to make it even stronger as well, we just put a couple of these. I think it's probably hitting the other one. Oh, here it goes. There you go, just bend it over and it will be fine in there. So, right, where were we? So we were putting this in, weren't we? So, hang on a minute, it goes this way. It goes this way. So, there we go. It's getting there, look. So, we get this. Hang on. We'll put this, we'll do the same. Kind of like got two in there, look. So that will hold it. That will hold it in there whilst bend them. Because then that will basically secure it up. We just need to put a couple of little ones in there. So there we go. See it pull it in tight now? Pulls it in tight. See another one, and the same for this side. We can pull this one in tight. So once you've done these things, you can always take them out, the other ones. So there we go. Look at that. See how it pulled it in really tight. So look, there we go. And it opens and closes now. There, look. So we can just get rid of this one because I think this one went in by mistake. We'll just try and get this one out. Or if you can't get it out, you know, just use this. Just bend this over. Because you don't want it hurting anyone, or stabbing anyone. So it kind of looks, it's a bit of a feature. But look at that, there we go. Doesn't take long, does it? You know what I'm saying? See? Quick and easy, look at that. Pretty perfect, huh? Pretty perfect. Opens and closes. It's a little bit stiff, but you could put like a clip. You could put a clip on there. I might put a clip on there actually. Clip it down into here, and then you've got yourself a little, I mean, it just stays up a little bit at the moment because it needs the clip. But I mean that, look at that from a distance. I mean, how long did that take? 3 minutes, 5 minutes? And it just needs a bit of sanding. Maybe a bit of, like, you could paint it up black or something. And then you got your box, look, so you can put stuff in there. Perfect. I mean, let's say, for a couple of minutes work, just goes to show what you can achieve. Thanks for watching.